AI content creation has come a long way, and it continues to amaze me. First, take a quick look at this cinematic historical documentary I created entirely using AI, and after that, I'll show you exactly how I made it step by step.
Egypt, a land filled with vibrant cities, culture, and ancient wonders. But long before the modern world ever existed, this land stood at the center of human civilization. It was an advanced civilization ruled by kings believed to be chosen by the gods, the pharaohs. And one monument rose above all, the Great Pyramid of Giza. Built with impossible precision, it commanded both horizon and heavens. Its corridors wound through darkness, leads to a chamber of a god, guiding the souls through the cosmos toward eternal immortality and divine transcendence, overlooking a civilization that continues to amaze today's modern world.
Well, that was absolutely amazing, right? And most importantly, those VFX made it even more immersive and worth watching. If someone had told me a few years ago that I'd be able to create something like this entirely on my own using just my laptop, I probably would have laughed and never believed it. But now, it's actually real, guys. With the help of AI, you can truly take your creativity to the next level. All you need is a simple idea, and AI can help bring it to life in ways that once felt impossible. In today's video, I'll show you the complete process I used to create this cinematic documentary step by step so you can make something similar yourself. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Okay, now the first thing you need before anything is your idea. Make sure the topic you choose is popular and genuinely interests people. Otherwise, you'll end up spending time and money on something viewers may not find interesting. For this video, I chose ancient Egypt because it still fascinates people and remains a very popular topic. Alright, once your topic is ready, it's time to create your images. In my opinion, images are the most important part of content creation because if your images look good, turning them into videos becomes extremely easy. So let me show you how I created mine. First, go to Visina AI, you'll find the link in the description, then click on Open Studio and go to the Director's Cut tab. Here, instead of generating a single image, you can create an entire sequence while keeping the scene and character consistency intact, which is exactly why I love using it. Let me show you how. Alright, now the first thing you need to do is select the model. I went with OpenAI. Next, make sure sequence is selected, and after that, you can choose your grid size. I went with 2 by 2. Now it's time for the prompt. For the first scene, I wanted to create a cinematic shot showcasing the city from above, and then have the camera zoom in towards the pyramid. So this is the exact prompt I used. Now here's the best part about using the grid method. For the cost of one image, you're actually getting 4 images while keeping the sequence and scene consistency intact. And that's exactly why I love using the sequence method. It saves a lot of unnecessary regenerations, and you can simply extract the images you like, which I'll show you in a second. And by the way, I've created a detailed document containing all the prompts for the images, videos, music, everything. If you guys want it, just let me know in the comments and I'll share it with you guys. Next, choose your settings and hit generate. And this is the result it created. Just look at this. Like I said, for the cost of one image, you're getting an entire sequence. Look at how consistent the style is. This is exactly what I wanted. Now, to extract the shots you want, just click on Extract Shots. You can either extract all of them together or select them individually. For this sequence, I extracted shot 1 and the shot 4, so I'll select those and then hit Extract. And here's the extracted shot. As you can see, it's now in high quality and nothing has changed. The style, the lighting, everything remains completely consistent, only the shot has been extracted. Seriously, isn't this one of the best techniques or what? Now for the next scene, I wanted to showcase a top side view of the pyramid. So this is what I did. I added my initial image, gave it a simple 1-line prompt to create a top view shot, and then hit generate. And this is the result it created. See, it's actually so easy. As you can see, it generated multiple top view shots while keeping the style consistent, and now you have different options to choose from. Then you can simply extract the one you like the most. For this example, I extracted shot number 3. Now here's another example of a scene. Again, same process. I gave my prompt, and this is the sequence it created. I went through the images and decided to extract shot number 1, and this is the extracted result. As expected, everything is clean and looking good. So yeah, this is basically how you can create your images, guys. This method is super easy, gives you a lot of freedom, and at the same time saves you a ton of time and credits. Now, once the images were ready, I went ahead and created the videos using Seedance too. I used the start and end frame option, generate my shots. Let me show you how. First, go to the videos tab, choose Seedance 2, and then select frames to video. Now let's recreate the first scene. I'll upload the first frame image here, here and then upload the end frame image. Now let me tell you guys, if you give vague prompts to Seedance 2, you will not get good results. You'll just end up wasting credits and money. So this is how I created my prompts for each scene, and honestly, it's very simple. Just go to the Prompt Lab tab, upload your start frame and end frame images, then choose Detailed, so it creates a more cinematic and descriptive prompt. After that, select your desired video duration. For the first scene, I went with 12 seconds. You can also enable cut scenes if you want multiple cuts in your video, but I wanted one smooth continuous shot, so I kept it turned off. Next, simply describe what you want in the scene. This is what I wrote. As you can see, I described everything in a very simple way like a complete beginner, because honestly, it doesn't matter. The AI understands it and creates the detailed prompt for you. You can also mention different elements using the @ symbol, then just hit generate. It'll take a few seconds to think and create your prompt. Once the prompt is ready, copy it, go back to the videos tab, paste the prompt, choose your settings and duration, and hit generate. That's it, guys. I'm requesting you folks always use detailed prompts with Seedance 2. You can even use GPT to generate your prompts if you want. It doesn't matter as long as it's detailed. And this is the output. As expected, it looks absolutely amazing. Just look at the visuals. Seriously incredible. And honestly, I haven't seen any other AI video generator create something at this level yet. Not even the latest Gemini Omni model. Seedance 2 is genuinely a beast right now. Here's an example for scene number 2. As you can see, I added the start frame and end frame, used my prompt, selected the settings and duration, and then hit generate. And this is the result it created. Absolutely amazing. And once you try it yourself, you'll understand how powerful this actually is. Now, just to show you guys the difference, this is what it created using a simple, vague prompt. As you can see, I only used a one-line prompt, which is what most people usually do. Then they don't get the result they want and end up giving up. But look at the difference, like it's literally day and night. So please make sure you're using detailed prompts. Now here's another example scene. Again, same workflow. Start frame, end frame, choose the video settings, add the prompt, and generate. And by the way, all the prompts are included in the document. If you guys want it, just let me know and I'll share it with you. So yeah, this is basically how you can turn your images into videos. It's actually very easy. The biggest thing that matters is your prompt quality. Now, once the videos were ready, I created the voiceover using 11 Labs, and this is the voice I used. After that, I went to Suno to create the background music. I gave it my prompt and it generated the cinematic score for the video. And finally, I imported everything into CapCut, added the clips, synced the music and voiceover, did a little bit of editing, added some filters, and that was it. The video was ready. That was pretty easy, wasn't it? I'm sure most of you never imagined creating something this cinematic would become this accessible, but now it is. So go ahead and try it yourself. And if you face any issues, let me know in the comments. If you found this video useful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to support the channel. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, keep grinding.